Welcome. You're watching the how-to video series by ARH. How to install the Passport Reader software. In this video, Passport Reader or PR software end users will be guided through the installation steps to attempt proper installation on a Windows operating system. By the end of this video, you will be able to install PR software and avoid common mistakes. First, you will install the OCR engine, then the PR software. Make sure to have all of these: Passport Reader or PR software package, an ARH ID or Passport Reader unit connected to your computer via USB, PR software license valid for the software version included in the package, administrator privileges on your operating system. If any of the above items are missing, or if you're unsure about your license, please get in touch with your sales representative or with your system administrator. Let's start the installation. Extract the PR software package, a zip file, that you received with your order. Open the extracted folder to browse files. Open the Win folder to find the installer files. It's recommended that you start installing the PR OCR engine first. The 64 and the 86-bit version PR files are PR Reader software installers. Use the one matching your OS architecture. Install the OCR engine by double-clicking on the PR OCR file. The installation wizard opens. Click Next to continue. Read and accept the license agreement. Then, click Next to step forward. You can see further options about the OCR engine module by opening the drop-down menu. Click Next to allow OCR engine module installation. Select your operating system's architecture type. Select both if you are unsure about the system. After selection, click Next. Again, make sure to have administrator privileges and click Install to begin the installation. So far, you've installed the OCR engine. Click Finish to exit the wizard. Now, you can go ahead and install the PR software too. Select the installer file matching your operating system's architecture and double-click to open Setup Wizard. Install both if you are unsure about the system. Please note that the 64-bit version cannot be installed on a 32-bit version. Start the install the same way you did for the PR OCR engine. Here is a description about the recommended software modules to install. You can get back to this screen at any time. Let's continue with the installation. If you need a PC-SC interface for RFID communication, you can set this feature to auto start at Windows Startup. However, if you do not need this option, make sure to leave PC-SC unchecked. The reason why you must leave it unchecked is that ARH's native RFID communication and PC-SC cannot operate side by side. Click Next. Make sure to have administrator privileges and click Install to begin installation. Click Finish to exit Setup Wizard. At this point, a pop-up message will ask for a system restart. Click Yes to restart your computer and save system configuration changes. After a successful restart, make sure to have a fully working PR system. You can check it with the help of the Full Page Reader app that is included with the software package. Open Windows Programs, and within the ARH Inc. folder, select Full Page Reader. In Full Page Reader, select your reader device's serial number on the left at the Options menu under General vertical layer. Check processing log at the vertical processing layer. You need to get the device is calibrated message after making connection. Now, you can start using your full-page reader. In order to get familiar with the interface and be able to change settings, watch the video How to Use the Full-Page Reader. Thanks for watching. For staying updated, make sure to subscribe to our channel.